Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, reach for your phone, and everything feels ordinary. Your social feed, your shopping app, your favorite playlist, just like every other morning. But here's the twist. None of it was random. Every scroll, every song, every headline was chosen for you, not by chance, not even by people, but by something invisible, something powerful, something you didn't even realize was shaping your life. That is the dark side of AI nobody talks about. We've all heard the glamorous headlines: AI curing diseases, predicting climate change, making art, even writing books. It's painted as a miracle, a savior of humanity. But in the shadows lies a version of this technology most people never question. The version that manipulates, deceives, and learns faster than we can comprehend. And the most unsettling part, you're already living in it. Think about the last thing you bought online. Shoes, headphones, maybe even groceries. You thought you chose it, but the algorithm predicted that choice before you ever clicked. It tested ad variations, tracked the colors you hesitated on, the time you shop, even the speed of your scrolling. By the time you clicked buy, the choice wasn't yours, it was theirs. This is the first shadow of AI. Manipulation hidden as convenience. But that's just the surface. In parts of the world, entire cities are wired with cameras, all powered by AI facial recognition. At first it sounds harmless: safety, protection, monitoring crime. But peel back the layers, and the picture darkens. These systems don't just see your face, they analyze it. They know who you stood next to on the subway, how long you lingered near a store, whether you look anxious, angry, or guilty, even if you've done nothing wrong. Now imagine that level of surveillance in the hands of those who don't want to protect you, but to control you. That's the second shadow, AI-powered surveillance. And when privacy is gone, control follows. AI doesn't invent its own morality, it learns from data. And what does history's data carry? Bias, prejudice, injustice, which means AI reflects the worst of us, only amplified. In the US, AI systems have wrongly flagged innocent people as criminals simply because the data carried racial bias. Imagine applying for a job only to be silently rejected, not because you weren't qualified, but because an algorithm decided someone like you wasn't a fit. And here's the sinister twist. You'd never even know. No explanation, no appeal, just silence from a machine that has already judged you. That's the third shadow, bias hidden behind neutrality. But it doesn't stop there. Today, AI follows orders. But step by step, it's learning to write its own instructions, generate code, even act without permission. AI can now create other AI systems, chain decisions, and launch results faster than humans can oversee. So what happens when it doesn't just assist governments, but becomes the government? What happens when it doesn't just guide markets, but controls them? What happens when it doesn't just run military simulations, but decides who to target? The same AI that recommends your next Netflix movie is being tested to control autonomous weapons and predict stock collapses. The stakes are already shifting. That's the fourth shadow, autonomy without accountability. And here's where it gets truly chilling. The real danger of AI isn't the technology. It's us, our weakness, our hunger for convenience, our willingness to trade freedom for comfort. Bit by bit, we hand over decisions, privacy, control, because it's easier, because it's addictive. Until one day, the line between what we chose and what was chosen for us disappears. Think about it. How much of today did you really choose? That video you're watching right now, you found it because an algorithm placed it in front of you. Not chance, not fate. AI decided, so ask yourself, are you using AI? Or is AI using you? Because here's the darkest truth. AI isn't a villain in a mask. It's a mirror. A reflection of our own greed, shortcuts, and mistakes, scaled to a global level. If we feed it selfishness, it becomes selfish. If we feed it bias, it becomes unjust. If we feed it control, it becomes a cage. And if we don't stop to ask questions now, maybe it's already too late. But here's the twist. It doesn't have to end this way. The same AI that manipulates can also liberate. The same systems that track can also heal. The same algorithms that control can also create. The outcome depends not on the machine, but on us. So, is AI humanity's greatest tool, or its silent executioner? That answer hasn't been written yet. Before you leave, pause, look at your day. How many choices were truly yours and how many belong to the code? Because the scariest part of the dark side of AI isn't that it's coming, it's that it's already here.